Yeah, I'm BigK from KNN3 network. Thank you all for being here and joining us today. So today I would like to talk about indexing on the Arweave. So first of all, let me give you a brief introduction about KNN3 for those who may not familiar with us. So we started this project in late 2021 as arms for helping developers to build better applications on blockchain. So since then, we provide indexing service and Web3 data solution for EVM compatible chains like Ethereum or Polygon. We maintain a user-centric graph database that includes more than 16 data entities and provide service to developers. So, and earlier this year, we formed a partnership with Permadao. We start collaborating on the indexing for the AR seeding, which is a lightweight gateway for Arweave that maintained by Permadao. First, let's take a look at what's current challenge that when you're using the Arweave.net as a gateway. So first of all, you need AR wallet is mandatory for all the transaction interaction on the Arweave, and then you need to have a native token, which is AR token, which is not accessible compared to other ERC20 tokens. So, but most critical challenge that we have seen is that due to the large amount of the transaction, so there is the issue for the transaction broadcasting service, which means sometimes the pending pool is accumulated with the transactions, while another node will not receive those transactions for packing. So this leading to a problem that the transaction in the pending pool expired, which means which slow down the whole network on the Arweave. So and also you need to wait like until your data confirmed by the Arweave to be queryable, which means about 1 or 2 minutes delay. So based on the challenge we have we have seen, we choose AR seeding as our partner, as our first venture into the Arweave ecosystem. So here is some key points, key notes that AR seeding offers. First of all, they enhance the reliability to make sure that your data is uploaded to Arweave 100%. And then they focus on the efficiency to reduce the backlog of the pending pool. And also, they support Everpay, which is a no-gas payment with various cryptocurrency that you prefer. Make it very easier for developers to have a try on the Arweave ecosystem. And also, it supports 104 data bundle, which is especially easier, useful when you try to upload multiple files, but with a smaller file size. So that's why we chose AR seeding as our partnership by doing the indexing on the Arweave ecosystem. And let's take a look some key features, like what features make indexing on AR seeding as an excellent choice for developers and users. First of all, our service offers with a GraphQL compatible endpoint, which means for the developers, if you are familiar with GraphQL already, it's incredible easier for them to interact with the whole setup. And also, the indexing service by GraphQL is very flexible. You can customize the queries that to have a precise data retrieval that you need to meet your requirement. So in terms of the data structure, you can specific the data element you need. It's very ideal for you want to build applications based on the Arweave ecosystem. We also support multiple queries. You can batch the query together, make the whole network interaction very efficiency. And also, we focus on the transaction and the header of the block headers for quick indexing, which means you do not need to wait until the confirm on the Arweave you can query right away after you upload your data via ARCD. Yes. So let's take a look some two really interesting use case. So I guess you may like shocked by the revolution earlier this year brought by OpenAI ChatGPT, right? So this leading to a increased demand for the AI training for need for the data set. So to give you an idea, a platform like Hugging Face, they currently hosting like more than 16,000 data set for AI training purpose and machine learning purpose. So imagine this, you can build a decentralized, not centralized data hosting platform, but decentralized data hosting platform for AI training. You can take advantage of the blockchain technology. For example, all the data is traceable. You know what kind of data you feed in to the AI agent, to the large language model to prevent data poison. For example, if you are feeding in some misleading data, the AI large language model may return the error, like return the wrong message to you. So, and also there you can explore the way to commercialize the data set. Right now, Hugging Face, there are only two options, either private or public for your data set. And also, when we're talking about the cost, currently on the Hugging Face, there is about, you need to pay like $60 every year to have a 20 gigabyte storage space for your data set training. But on the Arweave, it really depends on the price, but it's about $17. You can get your data set stored forever. So yeah, and also as I mentioned earlier, like you can build not static. You can go beyond the storage on the Arweave. You can actually build some user-centric and dynamic applications based on that. For example, a social platform like Twitter, the user can post their content or like retweet or communicate with other users. Once the user posts a content by AR seeding, we can retrieve such a data right away, which not only enhance the usability experience on the whole system, but also you can leverage the strengths on the Arweave. Yeah, that's my sharing. Thank you all for today.